3,500 square meters and are currently exporting 80% of our production worldwide. Our products have been exported to North America, South America,
Europe, Oceania, Africa, Middle East, and Asia market. The products we produced are widely used in communication equipments, medical equipments, cosmetic equipments, optoelectronic equipments, household electrical appliances, computer and consumer electronics.
plating, powder coating, PVD, e-coating, painting, Teflon coating. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact.
Yeah!